Hello everyone, take this particular gourd and then cut it in this shape. After this, cut out the bottom portion of it as well as the side, make 3 slices out of it. Now make a V-shaped cut in the sides as such. Make sure that they are more or less even and then do this until you reach the bottom of it. Now once you have done this, make a slice both of the edges. Then afterwards, after one of the half slices, completely cut through the other next end. Now make a slice on either side of it, however do not go all the way. Once you are done with this, make 2 circular shapes using any sort of stencil. Now open it up and it should look like a butterfly. Next, you may take any other gourd that is green in color or some cucumber and then use it as the base. In order to do so, cut out a small slice of it and then add a toothpick to it and then stick it at the top of it using the same toothpick. This will be the final look of it. We have made 4 butterflies so far. Next, start off by taking a gourd and then this can be a brinjal or any other gourd. After this, take it off and then cut out the peel of it and you'll be left with only the peel. Scrape out the excess of the fruit as well. Fold it into half and then make a slice to make it even. Now make one diagonal cut, make multiple cuts out of it as such. Once you have done this, make sure that all of your cuts are very minute. Now roll it up and then put a little toothpick through this. This will help it stay in place. Now once you are done with this, cut off the excess at the bottom as well and spread it out. Now take something like a cucumber or any sort of gourd and then make these triangular diamond-like cuts out of it. Cut off the excess fruit, then make multiple slices on one end of it. After you have done this, spread it out using your finger and then add it on either side of the flower-like shape that you have made. This will be the final look and this will be the presentation format. Next, take any gourd, take the fleshy fruit portion part of it and make multiple slices out of the fruit. Now make a circular cut and then make these little squares out of it as well. Now add a toothpick through it on one of the ends. Now take each of the layers that you have made and then stick them through the toothpick as such. Stick them at the top of it. Now make a slice that is a V-shaped slice on one of the ends and then make it as the bottom of the ribbon is. Now you have your little ribbon-like shape decoration. Next, take a cucumber, make multiple slices out of it as such and then arrange it very detailed and intensely in a circular shape as such. Then cut a cherry into half and then add it to the center of this. After this, take a slip of the cucumber peel and then cut it up in this shape. Add it as the bottom of your little flower. Add it at the bottom as such and then take 2 more slices of your cucumber and then add it on either side in order to make it look like the leaves of a flower. This will be the final look. Next, take some bitter gourd or any other sort of gourd. You may also use something like beetroot. Now make a slice out of it as such. After you peel it out, then make multiple slits in this peel. However, while slicing it out, make sure that it is a very thin slice as such. Make it extend as much as you can. The more, the better it is. Now, as you proceed to cut it, do this until you reach the end, flatten it out and then set it one on top of the other as such. Make multiple slices all throughout it. Once you are done with this, roll it up. Once again, make sure that each of your slices are very thin and very detailed and very minute. After this and after you roll it up, you may add a toothpick to the middle of it so that it stays put and fastened in its place. Now set it straight and then spread it out. Use toothpicks in both of them in either sides. Cut off the top portion of it and spread it out as such. Once you are done with this, take any sort of gourd and then make it into a diamond-like cut. Cut off the excess fruit or fleshy portion of it. Make multiple slices on one part of it and then spread it out on either side. Add it to either side of your flower-like design and there you have it. Thank you for watching.